Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to get on with what it says in the title. I'm going to do a room tour. Now I've never ever done a room tour on my channel before, so I thought, you know what, I love watching them, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you my bedroom and my second bedroom. Let's go. First of all, my bed. So my bed is from Dream, actually just a nice little wooden bed, and luckily it matches my two bedside drawers. Can you see? Let's get closer. It matches my drawers, which are just three little drawers. So my side, it's just literally classic pants, socks, and then like bras and Christmas socks and just bralettes and all that type of jazz. And then obviously I've got my phone charger, you know, little thing, and then I've got my cables for my camera. Then I have this really cute little unicorn. I have a little pug. Ben won this for me at Hull Fair. If you don't know what Hull Fair is, I'll actually leave a link down below because I did like a little montagey thing last year. I've got these beautiful lamps, so this is on the same as on the other side as well. I'll just show you. Look how nice these lamps are. So these are my lamps. These are actually from B&M. I don't know if they're still in stock anymore, but they always have something very similar because these crystal ones are always in. I do want to change this, but I just kept them black. I match it with my curtains, which I'll show in a minute. And yeah, I've got this cute little unicorn candle. It's a nice glittery tea-like candle. This was from Primark. And then I also have, which is B for Becca, and there's also one on Ben's side, obviously B for Ben. And I do want to get like some battery powered candles in there because we have cats. We've got the bedding, which is also from B&M, this beautiful thick nice lovely fur, which is just nice all year round. This is also from B&M. I think this was like £20 or something. Bedding is actually reversible as well, but I like it on the whiter side in the summertime and springtime just to like open up the bedroom. Then I've got my Hogwarts pillow, which is from Primark. This was from the London Primark. And then we also have this one, which I've had for a good few years. This is actually from Harry Potter Studios in London. This is still going strong. I've had this since about 2012. This pillow was in the sale at B&M, and I thought it matches my curtains. You can't really see them on camera. It's a little bit dark at this side. But yeah, this was in the sale. I think it was like maybe £2 or something. And then I have these, which have also, these have lost the cushioniness inside. They used to be super thick like this. These are also velvet. And it's a really nice like champagne colour. They're also from B&M as well. The reason why they're so flat now is because I use them for my back. I literally use pretty much all these cushions for my back. Sometimes not these two, but literally I just need cushions. And I also have these little lights where you can get from anywhere, and I think these were from B&M. Curtains, my grandma actually made these. These are a lovely, can we try and see these? These are a really nice like dark plum, and they are blackout ones as well. So obviously when it's in the summertime, these are actually blackout, and they're just on a little like line like this. Little seat box, which is just full of tights and hats and scarves. And then on top of that, this is actually a blanket where you can put your sleeves in, your hands in the sleeves and stuff like that. To my little chest of drawer here, this is actually, my grandma got me this years and years and years ago from when I was a child, like literally. She got me and my brother and sister one, and she just filled it with presents. That was our Christmas present. So yeah, this is full of like childhood memories and memory boxes and just childhood things really. And I think there's also a blanket in there. Then I've got this on top, which is from B&M as well. And then I have this, which my dad got me when I very first moved in to my very first house. I think it's from Asda. My grandma got me this for Christmas, a little R on it, which I think is super cute. Don't know where this is from. If I can find out from her, then I'll let you know, but I think this is super cute just on here. And then I have a little Toothless Build-A-Bear because I absolutely love How to Train Your Dragon, and look how cute Toothless is. This, ignore this, this is actually from my 21st birthday. I'm now 24, just to let you know. And it's Marie from Aristocats. She was on the top of my cake. I'll probably insert a picture now of what it looked like. I did try and just unbought this jar because we wanted to keep it, and yeah, after years and 2 moves, she's kind of broken. This little corner, which is just full of necklaces and jewellery. And actually I have some is it origami? Grandma actually made these in different papers because when my auntie got married like 2 years ago, it was literally like origami heaven. If I have a photo I'll insert it, but yeah, my grandma made thousands of them, and yeah, I took these home. So this is my little corner. I'm going to go back a little bit. I'm going to sit on the bed and see in the mirror. This is my dressing table. It's a nice glass like dressing table. I've had it since I was about, I want to say like 13, 14, and you know, it's lasted me so long. I love the colour it goes with, like everything. It's a really nice cream, and we've got wicker going on. Yeah, so it is glass. I do need to give it a good little clean. Got makeup under there. I have got a candle which I do need to change and put in cotton wool pads. I've got a mirror here, you know, just to pick up whenever I need to like look closely at like eyelashes and makeup and things like that. I have this beautiful ballerina ornament which I've had for a good few years now. I can't even remember where it's from. My mum got me it. I have a feeling it's from B&M actually. I have a really big feeling it's from B&M. And then I have this unicorn light which I think was from Primark. I got it from my auntie for Christmas. Love that as well. And I love this window. It just keeps everything like the lighting and stuff, and obviously I can pull up and down the blind. I also have these pictures. I should have really hung these back up before filming. Oops. My sister got these, got me these for my, I want to say my 23rd birthday. She got me some nice like string, cute little pegs, and then printed off like literally things from when we were like kids really. That's like me and my little sister. Where's like me and my brother and my sister. That's like my full family. That's at my other auntie's wedding. These have fallen down. This is so bad. And then we've got more up there, which obviously this one goes in between there, and I just think it is super cute. We're coming into this area. My tripod's not big enough for me to stand in the shop because I'll just go around. This really cute set of drawers. I don't know where these are from. My grandma actually bought them and put them in her shop. Got all my makeup, little bits and bobs and stuff like that in here, but there will be a video, so I will leave it up here when it is up. This is from my friend Shannon. She got me this lamp for my birthday. I absolutely love this lamp. It's a unicorn lamp, and I'm pretty sure it's from Asda. Then we've got my favourite perfumes. I've got my Shawn Mendes, and then I also have the Marc Jacob Descendants one. Then I have this really cute little mug. This is from my aunt's wedding where the origami was from. My other auntie got me that. Then I've got this for my birthday. I do need to put it on my keys. Then I have my Harry Potter Gryffindor candle, which I absolutely love. I always change this up every now and then as well. Then I've got my bee, and then I've got like a little money jar there. And then I have a photograph book. Oh, and a little heart. I have pictures what I never level. So if people are like looking in my background at my videos like, wow, they are not level. Yeah, I know. I've got the cat's climbing frame, which Tinkerbell never goes on. It's always Pebbles. And then on the back of the door I have my dressing gowns, literally my Harry Potter dressing gowns, and then Ben's dressing gowns under there, but he never wears it. This is literally my room when you come in. Very plain, very simple. I just absolutely love it. I love the fact that my dressing table is hidden away in there, and yes, this is my room. This is our second bedroom, very lightest one. It's got the biggest window, and the sun starts off at the front in the morning and it works its way around. So in our garden, which we are very lucky, we always have the sun in our garden, which is super nice. So this is our lightest room. As you walk in, I've got this here. This is just where I hang up clothes and stuff. Pop clothes on there when because it's been raining the last few days. This was Ben's nana's. We're not too sure what we're going to do with this right now. Then we're going into something here. These, we've got nails and then arts and crafts. I do need to get more boxes, but I would like a table maybe making out of this or something to then pop on like a nice lamp, which is there. I got one of these cute little things here. That needs to go back into there, but you know. Then we've got our rail, which is just full of all our clothes and jeans, which we just don't ever really hang up because we're always wearing jeans. I also have these, bearing in mind I haven't put any pictures up, I just wanted them up on the wall. It's a bit mix matchy, but I do want to add to it and stuff. This is like my favourite ever thing ever. Favourite everything ever, whatever. Into here, we've got a little bean bag, so just a little chill out area. This was from, where was the beanbag from? Dunelm, years and years and years ago. I think all the cushions were from Dunelm. This was from Santa years ago, so I couldn't even tell you where this is from. This is from B&M. It's like the same kit slash throw over or throw, whatever. It's the one in the first bedroom. Got a minion blanket. Box of little memories. A rug behind that. Oh, I've got some joggers drying currently because it's been raining. I have a rug there going into our skateboards, into a box of just memories which I don't really have anywhere to put. I've got a lot of Doctor Who and Harry Potter things in there. Then we've got little like tins for saving, but really we haven't really saved. Cute rug on the floor. This is also from B&M, and that rug is also from B&M as well. We also have my old beauty blender, what my cat has been currently playing with. Our wardrobe, this was from Argos, and then I also need to hang up these. This like pops out and it has beautiful fairies with like hearts and fairies, well, angels and little bells on the end of them. I think they're really cute. Then up here we don't really have enough storage in this house, so literally it's just all in bags and boxes and suitcases and things like that up there. So that, yeah, that's just, yeah. Big massive window with our garden. And then hey, this mirror is from B&M. Absolutely love this mirror. It switches on at the side and it lights up. I do need to change the batteries still. This, I want to say it's from Argos or even IKEA. I'm not too sure. This was a few years old, but I'm sure you can still get things very, very similar from Argos or even IKEA. This is a little crackle lamp. This is really cute when it's on. This was from B&M. In here we've got a Daniela Draper bracelet, what I do need to start wearing, because obviously I've had a bad wrist over the years, so there's just no point in wearing any like bracelets and stuff. Got this given on the 10th of September 2016 because my grandma had her 50th like anniversary. Actually it was the 51st, she worked it out wrong, but we were celebrating the 50th, so it was like actually a 51st year of her working. And then we've got a calming candle which smells insanely amazing. This was from my nana. Look at that wick, it's just insanely beautiful. It just relaxes, it's just beautiful. And then this is just, it's just cute, it's a little trinket. So here we've got First Shelf is trying to kept along the line of like stationery and books, and then of course Harry Potter and Harry Potter books, like Harry Potter DVDs and Harry Potter books on the top shelf because it's Harry Potter, and I've also got two little Harry Potter notebooks there. Going down we've got PlayStation 2. We don't even have an Xbox 360, so I don't even know where we have that. We did have, but I think it broke. But a lot of PlayStation 2 games, DVDs, a really cool like nail book which I have in here, CDs, even though no one ever really listens to CDs anymore, but it's just childhood memories. A whole load of DVDs, and I think there's videos behind there. And then I tried to keep to books down here. These are all like university books because obviously I did sport. So yeah, here is the bedroom. It's just nice, just a nice size. And also under here we do have a blow-up bed as well, so the double blow-up bed does fit in here. So this is where my sister stays when she does. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and it's very quick and I couldn't really stand talking to you like, hey, this is that. I just literally went round and it just showed you my room pretty much. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to go hit the subscribe button, it would be much appreciated if you went to go do that. And yeah, go check out my other videos, and I'll see you again pretty soon. I love you lots, bye.